How to use ChatGPT Operator feature step by step. To use the ChatGPT's Operator feature, first of all, you simply have to go ahead and then launch the ChatGPT application on your device, or you can also log into your chatgpt.com website. From there, all you have to do is now go ahead and then launch the application itself. From here, at the text composer box over here, you should be able to select the modal mode from the drop-down menu. If you don't find it over here, that means it is only available to the Plus or the subscription memberships. So you simply have to subscribe to the plan itself and you should be able to use this mode. From there, select the agent mode and then input a multi-step objective, approve the safety sandwich action plan, and there you go. Now you simply have to monitor or run it in the background. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.